Now, it may not sound nice in English, but we have this word that means something different in Azerbaijani. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word PİS. It's just PİS, one syllable. PİS can mean bad, nasty, or sick. Let's use this in some phrases. A bad idea, a nasty smell, or feel sick. Pis fikir, bad idea. Fikir is a thought or idea. Pis qoxu, qoxu or iyi you can also hear. Nasty smell. Özünü pis hissetmek, to feel oneself bad or sick. Let's use some sentences. Bu pis fikirdir. This is a bad idea. Fikirdir is idea. Pis fikirdir is bad idea. This, bu. Bu pis fikirdir. Another one. Bugün özümü pis hissediyorum. When someone says this, it doesn't say I feel bad as like figuratively feeling bad. This is literally. I feel sick today means I don't feel well today. Now, bugün, today, özümü pis hissediyorum. I don't feel myself well, technically, would mean I feel sick today. That was my way of using the word pis. It's an Azerbaijani word in Azerbaijani sentences. There's another way of using it in English sentences. Pis girl didn't help me out with my homework, right? If you want to find a way to learn Azerbaijani in much more fun, easier, and efficient ways, check masterazerbaijani.com where I explore it deeper. Until then, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.